kita. Yun, kung hindi matanggal yan.
Mabila po ba sa paligid nila po? Mami.
Butang ito na.
Kita mag-uwan, di ka raw. Ay, kumakakulang, karoon. Tapos, naiwakan ko ha, kasi tigdaw tayo. Then, sugar, daiwa may mo, daiwa may ako.
Dapat pati ikaw.
Kuha ko na lang karoon.
Puro. Kaya ano mo lang, i-timelapse. Dapat naka-timelapse ito, era.
Tapos, daiwa. Okay.
Video.
Good morning, guys. So I just wake up and still in my bed. So the Wi-Fi was back, and yeah, that's why I was able to do a vlog today. Yesterday we've been at work for the entire day until 11 p.m. and Jeremy, my new friend, and I went to, what's this called, to McDonald's. We got some snacks over there, and it takes like, how many hours? So we've been outside for the not entire, but until 3 a.m. already, and that's why I woke up very late today. It's currently 10:30, and I was like, I was not shower yet. I don't shower yet. The first thing that I'm gonna do today was to get some coffee and then, get some snacks. I don't know what I'm gonna eat because I don't have anything here, but let's see. I forgot to tell you guys that I had one chicken, so I brought one chicken with me last night, and that's gonna be my breakfast today. So let's go.
Sa 7-Eleven car.
Ito sa ano nga sa my station. Hello.
Hot na?
Oo. Okay.
Crystal Sun.
Kami karaya. Para nagto. Di ka na pero ano niya sabi nila. Nagsabas. Ito. Ano nga partner?
Yeah,
Buffet na pagkaon. Among ginbayaran ka kay parang ganito sa ano suit ko parang gaano kanya. Parang may ano. Pagbakla ang unang kabubaho. Kaya ito. Tabo kami kada nag-ilan sa ating sinatay. Santa Alma, ako, si
Oo, naalala ko tagbakla.
Santa Alma, si Jurin, si Andrea, si LJ, si Ethan, ako, si Dalen. Ano ka, nag-coke ka? Oo.
Kuha nga ni coffee. Gusto ko coffee kung kawan.
Asan ang mga mix?
Abo-abo man galing bang ngon car? Ah, nadala mo?